Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about Ontario removing provincial Harmonized Sales Tax HST on some new rental builds. On November 1st, the Government of Ontario announced that it is removing the full provincial amount of Harmonized Sales Tax HST for new rental developments. The measure will apply to new purpose-built rental housing such as apartment buildings, student housing and senior residences built specifically for long-term rental accommodation that meet the criteria. The government says the enhanced rebate would apply to qualifying projects that begin construction between September 14, 2023, and December 31, 2030, and complete construction by December 31, 2035, to be eligible for the rebate. New residential units must be in buildings with at least 4 private apartment units or 10 private rooms or suites and have at least 90% of residential units designated for long-term rental. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.